This is the Norwex Kitchen Cloth. I absolutely love this. I use this every day, several times a day. It's got nice ridges to pick up crumbs. It's got the microsilver so it doesn't get stinky after using it for a week. And this removes up to 99% of bacteria off your surface when you're using it properly. So this is all I do when I've got all this greasy mess. By the way, I like to keep my cloths where I can easily grab them, plus it's a good way to let them air dry. I found these on Amazon. They're just magnetic hooks, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of counter space or drawer space because we have kind of a small kitchen.